So Asus has been working on their next-gen flagship for quite some time now. At MWC 2018, the company launched the Zenfone 5Z, and the company teased the Zenfone 6 at Mobile World Congress 2019 this year. Today, the company finally takes the wraps off the Zenfone 6 and looks like it was worth the wait. Let's go ahead and check out the Zenfone 6. On the front is a notchless nano-edge screen with minimal bezels and Corning Gorilla Glass 6. You might be wondering what is Asus going to do for the front camera. Pop-up maybe? Nope. Asus has gone ahead and created a flip camera using some interesting tech including liquid materials. The camera module has a 48 megapixel IMX586 sensor from Sony and a 13 megapixel sensor for wide angle photos along with an LED flash. Considering the rear camera as a front camera too, you can get some really good selfies. The fifth camera can be moved to any angle by just swiping on the screen and you can get some really interesting shots. You can use it for capturing wide panoramas too. Under the hood powering the Zenfone 6 is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor, and you can get up to 8 gigs of RAM and 56 of storage, and the base variant starts at 6 gigs of RAM and 180 gigs of storage. Asus has 2 SIM card slots and a dedicated microSD card slot which supports cards up to 1 TB. Dual VoLTE support for 4G is also baked in. At the back, you see the flip camera module, the fingerprint sensor, and the Asus branding. It's going to be available in 2 colors, the black and silver, and we have the black variant here. On the top, you have just a microphone and the camera module. On the left side, you have the SIM card tray. On the right side, you have the power button, volume rocker, and a new smart key which can be programmed to your liking. At the bottom, you have the USB-C port, headphone jack, speaker, and microphone. There's a 5000 mAh battery on the inside, and Asus is bundling a Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 compatible charger in the box. In terms of software, Asus has gone with almost completely stock Android except for a few customizations, which is a big move and end of the Zen UI as we have known it. With the Zenfone 6, Asus seems to be clearly taking on the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro in terms of specs and design. We are still waiting for the India pricing and launch details and we are looking forward to it, but for now, Asus has let us know that they still mean business and they are here to innovate. With the Zenfone 6, Asus seems to be clearly taking on the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro in terms of the specs and design. While we're still waiting for the India pricing and launch details of the Asus Zenfone 6, we are pretty certain it's going to be competing head against the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. But for now, Asus has let us know that they still mean business and they're here to innovate. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. This is Varun from Phone Arena signing off.